If you're looking for creative ways to increase your revenue, look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 ingenious ways people are using Facebook groups to make more money. Hi, I'm Mike, Mr. Process Mahoney, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing ways that people are using Facebook groups to make more money. Whether you're just starting out or have been doing this for a while, you'll find something useful in this video. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First tip is to share blog posts and articles that are relevant to your niche. One of the best ways to show your expertise and build trust with potential clients is to share blog posts and articles that are relevant to your niche. When you share content that is valuable and interesting, you not only help your followers learn more about your field, but also demonstrate that you are an authority in your area. This can lead to more business opportunities and increased revenue. Now, another tip is to promote your products or services. Facebook groups are a great way to connect with potential customers and promote your products or services. Make sure that you limit who is allowed in the group to those people that fit your target client profile, because there's no point in having a group that is full of the wrong people. Also, don't promote too often. As Gary Vaynerchuk says, jab, 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 right hook, with the jabs being posts that offer value, while the right hook is the promotional posts. Next tip is to answer questions from potential clients. One great way to use your Facebook group is to answer questions from potential clients. This can help you connect with them and show that you are knowledgeable about what you are selling. It can also help to build trust and encourage them to buy from you. They get exposed to your knowledge quickly this way. Share tips and tricks related to your industry is another tip. If you're in a business that sells products or services, it can be helpful to share tips and tricks related to your industry in your Facebook group. This can help potential customers learn more about what you do and how you do it. While you're helping them, you're also exposing them to your vast knowledge. This is going to help you build trust with potential customers. Now, the next tip is to give sneak peeks of new products or services. Now, it's important to keep your customers updated on the latest products and services that you offer. One great way to do this is by giving sneak peeks of new products and services in your Facebook group. This will help to build excitement among your customers and encourage them to buy from you. Because you have limited group membership to those people who fit your target client profile, you're not going to waste time and energy on people who are not likely to buy from you. Now, the next tip is to collaborate with other virtual assistants in your group to offer discounts on services. Many people think that the only way to be successful is to go it alone, but this just isn't true. In fact, collaboration with others in your industry can help you to achieve success much more quickly. There are several reasons for this. First, when you collaborate with others, you can share knowledge and ideas with each other. This can help you to learn new things and improve your skills. Second, when you collaborate with others, you can promote each other's products and services. This can help you to reach a larger audience than you could reach on your own. And third, when you collaborate with others, you can offer discounts on your products and services. This will encourage people to buy from both of you instead of just one of you. So don't be afraid to collaborate with others in your industry. It can help you achieve success much more quickly. Now, the next tip is to hold giveaways for free products or services. One great way to get people interested in your Facebook group is to hold giveaways for free products or services. This will encourage people to join your group and enter the giveaway. It can also help you to connect with potential customers and promote your products or services. Now, the next tip is to share inspiring stories and motivation related to entrepreneurship. Everyone needs motivation from time to time. Use your Facebook group to share inspiring stories. The people in the group will receive motivation from these stories. It will help them realize they are not alone in their struggles, and it will spark discussion. Offer advice and support to others who are just starting out as a VA. When you first started, I'm sure you thought it was great to get advice and support from others who had been in business longer than you. This is why you should offer advice and support to others in your Facebook group. Let people ask questions as often as they'd like. Encourage them to share any concerns they have with the group. Now, the next tip is to celebrate successes along the way. It's really important to share and celebrate successes because they can help to keep everyone motivated. When you achieve a goal, it's important to take some time to celebrate. This will help you to stay motivated and continue working towards your goals. And when you see others in your group celebrating their successes, it will help to motivate you as well. So be sure to share and celebrate your successes with others in your Facebook group. So that's it. The 10 crazy clever ways virtual assistants are using Facebook groups to increase their revenue. To recap, number 1, share blog posts and articles that are relevant to your niche. Number 2, promote your products or services. Number 3, answer questions from potential clients. Number 4, share tips and tricks related to your industry. Number 5, give sneak peeks of new products or services. Number 6, collaborate with other VAs in your group to offer discounts on services. Number 7, hold giveaways for free products or services. Number 8, share inspiring stories and motivation related to entrepreneurship. Number 9, offer advice and support to others who are just starting out as a virtual assistant. And number 10, celebrate successes along the way. Now, if you want to find out more about how to grow your revenue, have a ton of time left, and have a constantly full pipeline of clients, then you're going to want to attend our webinar on September 29th at 11:30 a.m. Pacific. You can register for this webinar at toptiersocial.com/webinar. If you got value from this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you will always get notified when new videos come out from Top Tier Coaching Services.